What if you could take a photo of any empty room in your home, describe exactly how you want it to look, and instantly see a fully furnished version of that space with every single piece of furniture clickable and shoppable? Not a mood board, not a Pinterest save, an actual photorealistic render of your specific room with real products you can buy right now. That is exactly what MeltFlex AI does, and after testing it, I think this is one of the most practically useful AI tools I have come across this year for anyone designing or renovating a space. So let me walk you through exactly how this works, because the workflow is genuinely simple and the results are impressive. You open MeltFlex AI, you start by uploading a photo of your space. This can be any room, a living room, bedroom, home office, dining room, an empty space you just moved into, or even a room you already have but want to completely redesign. The photo just needs to show the space clearly. You do not need a professional camera or perfect lighting. A phone photo works completely fine. Once your photo is uploaded, you describe what you want in the prompt field. This is where it gets interesting because you are not selecting from a drop-down menu or clicking through style categories. You are just describing it in plain language the same way you would tell an interior designer what you want. I am going to type this empty living room in Scandinavian interior design style. Light wood tones, minimal furniture, neutral palette, cozy and clean atmosphere, and then I let MeltFlex AI generate the result. Watch what happens. The platform takes my specific room, the actual dimensions, the windows, the floor, the walls, and furnishes it in the style I described. The result looks like a professional interior design render. Clean Scandinavian aesthetic, perfect furniture placement, natural light handled correctly, everything proportioned properly to the actual space in my photo. But here's the part that makes MeltFlex AI genuinely different from every other AI interior design tool I have tested. On the right side of the screen, you can see the actual products that were used to furnish your room. Every piece of furniture in the generated render is clickable. The sofa, the coffee table, the floor lamp, the shelving unit, every single item. You click on any piece and it opens the product page where you can see variations, different colors, different sizes, different materials, and actually purchase it. This closes the gap that has always existed between AI interior design tools and real-world action. Every other tool I have used shows you a beautiful render and then leaves you on your own to figure out where to actually buy any of it. MeltFlex AI connects the design directly to shoppable products, so the entire journey from idea to purchase happens inside one platform. Let me show you a few more use cases because this workflow works across completely different design styles and room types. I am uploading a bedroom photo and prompting mid-century modern bedroom, warm walnut furniture, terracotta accents, statement headboard, layered textures. The render comes back with a completely transformed bedroom. Warm tones, period-appropriate furniture, everything styled correctly. I click on the headboard 3 color variations, 2 size options available to purchase. I click on the side table 4 different finishes, competitive pricing, direct product link. One more, I am uploading a home office and prompting minimalist home office, white and black palette, built-in shelving feel, clean desk setup, productive and focused atmosphere. The result is exactly what I described. Functional, clean, professionally designed. Every desk, chair, shelf, and light fixture on the right side panel is shoppable. The credit system is worth mentioning. MeltFlex AI uses a credit-based model, which means you are not paying a flat subscription and hoping you use it enough to justify the cost. You use credits when you generate, and you can manage how much you spend based on how actively you are designing. For anyone working on a renovation project or helping clients with interior design, this credit system makes the cost flexible and manageable. For homeowners who are renovating, this is the fastest way to visualize a finished space before spending a single dollar on furniture. For interior designers, this is a client presentation tool that produces photorealistic renders in seconds instead of hours. For anyone who has ever saved hundreds of furniture images across multiple tabs and still could not figure out how it would look together in their actual room, this solves that problem completely. The link to MeltFlex AI is in the description. Head to MeltFlex, upload a photo of a room you want to transform, describe your ideal style, and see what it generates. Then click through the product panel on the right and see what is actually available to buy. The gap between the room you have and the room you want just got a lot smaller.